what I'm talking about right there. Fish on. Got a fish, baby. Alright guys, back at the same pond. Let me back up a little bit so you can see me a little better. Back at the same pond, and I know I said in the last video I was gonna give the fish a little time to kind of forget about the baits that I have and I've been throwing at them. I was gonna try a different pond, but since I didn't go fishing all weekend, I figure there's 2 days, 2 consecutive days that I didn't throw a lure at the same fish in this pond. So hopefully I have a little better luck today, and let's see what we could get into. See you guys in a little bit. All right. That's what I'm talking about right there. Fish on. Got a fish, baby. Seen that. Thought it was a turtle. And it was a fish. All right, no skunk. Oh, that was something we used to say in the 90s. But no skunk today. Come on, stop moving. Let me clean you up. Take a picture of you. All right. Got a fish. Right at the bank. Clean you up a little bit. Get a nice picture. Small, but it's a fish. That's what I want. That's what I'm here for. Fish. Photo. I need to see the fish. There we go. And let's do it right this time. Let you go right now. I want it on video. Go this way. I have to use a short clip. And go ahead and hold on. I know you want to go. I know you want to go, but go ahead and get that out of you. Yeah, I guess they look a lot better on the kayak. That's a fish. I'll take that. Oh, fuck. Did it again. I think I just did it again. Didn't record the fucking... Started recording after I let it go. Fucking shit. Did it again, guys. Uh-oh. I hope this one got it real good. I am recording, right? Yeah. Hey. One fish. It's time to get more. I've seen that. I'm gonna cast over there. And wow. We got a fish for the video. We evaded the skunk today. Got one. I like it. Try to keep getting more. Hopefully bigger. Yeah, it was right along the bank. The water. Bubbles. Thought it was a turtle. It was a fish. Alright, alright. Alright, we got one. That's what we're here for. Got one. Let's see if we get more. And that. Oh! I gotta change my soft glass to get the tail. Alright. Alright guys, that was it for today. As you see, we got a fish. We avoided the skunk for this video, so yeah, stay tuned, more videos to come. Like I said before, anytime I go fishing, I'm gonna make a video whether I catch a fish or not. And today we got a fish. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and comment. I'll see you guys on the next one.